I'm going to take you through how to add to your Canva account and add Canva designs in the Storrito editor. First, click New Empty Story from the gallery. This will take you into the Storrito editor. Here, click the Canva button, and then click Connect to Canva. This will open the Connect to Canva screen. My account is now successfully connected. Here I can see my designs. I can import my designs directly into the Storrito editor and then add stickers, text, images, GIFs, emojis, and more to finish my Instagram stories. When I press save, the design is saved to the Storrito gallery. I can also design with Canva directly from Storrito. When I click the Design with Canva button, Canva is opened in a new tab and I can create a new design. When I return to Storrito and refresh the page, I will see my new design in the tab. I can import this again and, as before, add stickers, text, images, GIFs and emojis, or further media to finish my Instagram stories. As before, I can find my design in the Storrito gallery.